Use a tool to remove the door triangular panel. Use a tool to pry out the door window control switch panel and unplug the connecting cables inside. Undo the retaining screws inside. Use a tool to pry out the main door panel. Be aware that there may be other cables that need to be unplugged during the removal process. Undo the retaining screws for the original speaker. Remove the original speaker and unplug its connecting cable. Install the matching speaker base/adapter ring. If you have a new model Honda, connect directly to the OEM speaker cable. If you have an older model Honda, you will need to use an adapter harness/cable for connection. Use screws to fasten the speaker base/adapter ring. Connect the signal cable to the door speaker. Finally, use the retaining screws to secure it in place. The installation of the speaker grille or speaker cover depends on the available space between the door panel and the speaker. This determines whether a grille can be installed.